Hey, we're using some leftover mashed potatoes to make some cheese jalapeno potato bites. Now we deseeded and going to dice up one medium-sized jalapeno pepper. Now when you make it, you can add as much jalapeno you want. You can leave the seeds in it if that's what you want to do. I decided to take the seeds out and I just used one. And you know, I wished it was a little bit bigger jalapeno pepper, but it worked out fine. And to this we add 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, shredded. Well, we'll mix this into the mashed potatoes. I'm using my fast mixing fork. And now we add 1 egg and the jalapeno pepper and mix well. And depending on the consistency, you might want to add a tablespoon of flour to it, mix it and make it more doughy. Now I put it out on some parchment paper and I roll it out, and then I'll cut them into little bite-sized tots. Now on this first batch I used a little olive oil on my hands to keep it from sticking. The next batch I use flour. I believe I like using the flour a lot better. It don't stick to your hands, of course, and it turns out a little better cut. Now we're using vegetable oil to fry these in. I put enough oil in there to bring it up a little halfway, maybe a little over halfway on these tots, and here in a little bit we'll turn them. Oh yeah, now those look really good. Now you can add your sour cream. You can use ketchup, mustard, whatever you like, or just eat them plain. These turn out really good. And you can roll them in breadcrumbs before you fry them too. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.